Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart. Today we're going to be talking about part number 594. This is the wire strut kit for our 590 series. So what I have here is your part number 594. This is the wire strut kit for our 590 series. So that would go into our 590M for mechanical, 590E for electric, 590P for pneumatic, as well as the 591M, E, and P respectively. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what you get. So first off is the bottle of blue Zap thread locker. This is our part number PT-42. Make sure that you use this on all of the threaded components to make sure that vibration doesn't rattle those loose. You get your 2 wires here for your mains. As well as your axle bag. Now the axle bag will consist of, and I'll go ahead and open this up. Let's just go open it up. That's going to be the easier way to do this. Try not to have the parts go rolling across the bench here. So I'll bring the wires back in just to help you out. So the first 2 pieces here, these are your bushings that the wire will go up into for filling the space in the trunnion, and then this slot in the bushing here, see if I can get a good view of that. That slot right there, that slot is for the set screws in the trunnion to go through and then press and lock in against the wire. You also get 2 axle adapters. These will go, the wire will go through the end that has the single set screw, and then your axle will come into the other side, and that is where the set screws will lock these in place. You have 2 holding in the axle, and then you have 1 holding onto the wire there. A plethora of set screws to lock in your axles as well as your trunnions. So if you have any questions on part number 594, this is the wire kit for the 590 series, please give us a call at 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com, or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much. Have a great day.